Okay guys, pretty much in this video. So a couple of videos ago I got the shockwave grenade launcher. But there's still a couple mythics I have not gotten. So in this video I want to get all those. I'm not gonna get all of them, but I'll try. That's a lead up first, so I heard a guy. How did I do that? Yes! You got him! I barely got him. What is it? Oh my god, that does a lot of damage. That does a lot of damage. I'm eating all this stuff. I'm eating all this. I had to take the shotgun now, because I would have died. I'll just take this. So. Run, that's wrong. Oh, actually, no, wait. I'm not this nice. I'm not going to do, but I need to take it. Good run. I'll probably lift it out. I can. Okay, so we have a new mythic to test out. Okay, that's a guy. This. That's good, but I'm low. So that's not good. This kid's bad. I'm going to get him though. I'm low health. Where are you? Swanny boy. Yeah. Swanny boy, where are you? I'm gonna come for you. Smack! Oh no, you didn't let me smack him. Oh, I smacked him a couple more times. That guy sniped me. No, I thought there was a guy there. Got one. Damn! Damn! I think it's a drum. This guy might be the guy that got the drum. Oh, that was a lot of fall damage as well. Oh! It's a lot of damage, it's a lot of damage, it's a lot of damage, it's a lot of damage. Ooh, wait. I need to heal up, heal up. He's gonna kill. I'm stressing. Oh my god, my screen time thing! My dad! Oh, let me move! Let me move! Got one. It's a 1v1 situation. I hit him very bit. Quick, stop! Please! Stop! Get out of that! Please! I hit him for a bit. Okay. He's left. Just knocked him. He'll die to storm, I think. He should die to storm. Yes! Victory! Yes! This shotgun is so good! Oh my god! Guys, I think I'm gonna have to end the video there because the video is gonna get too long if I were to keep going. So let's go, I got the win. So I'm gonna rate that the shotgun like a 9.5 out of 10. It's one of my most favorite guns, in my opinion. It's really good.